Replying to emails in Yahoo Mail is a simple way to continue conversations, provide information, or confirm details with the sender. Whether you're using the web version or the mobile app, the reply feature lets you respond directly to the sender or to everyone included in the email thread, keeping communication organized and efficient. So if you want to go ahead and reply to an email in Yahoo Mail, it is very easy and simple. Just follow the steps. So open your Yahoo account, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account. Now, once you're in the homepage that is displaying the inbox section, go ahead and open the email to reply. Once you have opened that specific email, go ahead, scroll all the way down, and you will see three arrows in the bottom. Among them, one is reply, another is reply all, and another is forward. So we are going to go ahead and reply this specific email. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on reply. You can also press R on your keyboard. Now go ahead, type a message that you want to send, and then tap on send, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.